Hey guys, it's Nerdbugs here, and today in this video we will be playing some Roblox. So yeah, I'm probably gonna make, most likely make more videos like this with me talking instead of like typing, So yeah, I'm gonna play some Roblox Flood Escape, cause I hope like this video won't be boring and yada yada. But yeah, comment down below if like what type of video ideas you want me to do. Like any games particularly you want me to play. I probably have an account on like I probably have an account on any game you suggest. Well, maybe. Like Transfer Mice I have an account on. Animal Jam, Movie Star Planet, well, Roblox obviously, Pop Tropica, etc. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when this starts. Okay, so it just started. So now I must escape. I feel like I'm good at this. Like, maybe just a little bit. Just maybe. I hope you can, like, hear me clearly, too. And yes, I have a high voice, so no judge, please. Okay. I go slow mostly, so I don't, like, if I go fast, I'll mess up. Sometimes I go fast, but mostly at a steady pace. You know what I mean? Okay. This was pretty easy. So I'll see you when another round has started. Okay. Another round just started, so yee. Oh wait, this is just, never mind. Thought that was like where you have to go. I haven't played this in a long time, so yeah. Oh no! Oh, okay. I almost just fell. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh no! I fell. Oh, I think I could have like swam up. Oh well. Okay. I kind of got bored. Sometimes I get bored like really fast off of Roblox games, so don't know which other game I should play. I really want to play Murder Mystery, but I feel like that'd be too boring for you guys. So, ooh, yeah, let's do Roblox Death Run. I've played that a lot. That's probably not gonna be, like, this video is probably not gonna be boring. It's a pretty fun game. So yeah, I'll see you when the round starts. Okay, so we're playing again. I think it just glitched out for a little bit, like for a second. So if you don't know what I'm playing Roblox Death Run now because I got bored of the what's called Flood Run. There you go. Switching screen. I believe it's called Flood Run. So yeah, I'm playing this now. I like super. I love this game. Oh, I died. Oh well. Oh, it just glitched. What the heck? Oh, okay, I'll see you when, like, the round starts. I'm just trying to spectate. Watch. I think, yeah, I just glitched again. Okay, hold on. I gotta, like, fix. Alright, so, I guess I'm gonna leave it at that. Sorry I couldn't play more. Like, it keeps glitching everywhere, so. In the next video, if you want me to play, like, more Roblox, comment down below. Like, yeah, it's glitching. So, yeah, if you want me to play more Roblox, comment down below, or what would be very appreciated if you like this video and subscribe. I'll post more videos, and if we reach 1,000 subscribers, I will do a face reveal. So yeah, we're pretty far, like far away from my goal, but I know we can make it. Yeah, I know we can make that goal sooner or later. So yeah, see you in the next video, and it'll like hopefully be more enjoying if this video wasn't enjoying already. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.